Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter in an Acura MDX. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it is completely empty. Next, gently detach the small dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you better access to the filter housing. With the glove box fully open, gently squeeze the sides inward to release the stops, allowing it to drop down completely. You will then see the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips on either side of this housing. Unclip them and carefully pull out the old, dirty filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrow before removal. Now take your new cabin air filter. It's crucial to check the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air should flow through the filter. For most Acura MDX models, this arrow should point downwards when you insert the new filter. Slide the new filter into the housing, then firmly reattach the two clips to secure it in place. To finish up, carefully reattach the dampener arm to the side of the glove box. Then, push the glove box back into its original position, ensuring it clicks securely into place. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your air clean is important, and so is staying organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.